Is it Enya? Do I sound like Enya?
You sound like the absence of chaos.
Do you have any idea how much she cares about you?
I'm not a lady. That's not me.
I know my friends are getting high, but I got
I don't know if you have room for me.
You and me, us.
But I love you.
Is this ever going anywhere?
If you don't stop looking at me like that,
Everyone can see the way you look at her when you sing.
I believe I am my best self, truest self, when I'm with you.
I'm not going dark and you are not losing me. No matter what you do, no matter what they do to me, I'm still here. Now what does that tell you?
Bryce Losky likes you.
You know Gilbert has a crush on you, right?
No, he doesn't. Bryce Losky does not have a crush on you.
Tell me what you feel.
I just feel you.
You are spectacular.
I know.
Well, I guess we go home empty-handed.
I wouldn't say that. It's always been forever for me, hasn't it?
I dreamed of becoming important to someone.
You're important to me. I love you, Lucy.
To meet a beautiful woman is one thing, but to meet your best friend and the most beautiful of women is something entirely apart.
I've been waiting this whole night. I've been waiting this whole damn night for you.
I like to see you happy.
Everything is just white noise. Everything is just white noise.
Er war so perfekt zusammen. Ich hab nie etwas anderes.
We really are meant for each other.
I've been waiting this whole damn night for you.
You waited.
Of course.
Everything is just white noise. Everything is just white
Jameson.
noise but you.
Senin düşünüyorum. İyi geliyor.
I'll still be falling for you.
January 14th, 2014. The night that you flirted with me for 20 seconds and I became obsessed with you forever.
Yesterday, I didn't even know who you were. Today, I'm like, there's Cameron.